Beautiful people, it's your boy Price Embassy. In today's edition, in today's video, we are gonna be analyzing beautiful pays, five awesome pays, okay? And how is your Sunday going, or maybe how did your Sunday go today? So, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, kindly hit that red subscribe button, like, and drop your comment in the comment section. If you have questions, drop your comment and I'm willing to answer your questions. All right, back at it. As you can see, we are on the weekly time frame. We are the first on my list is gold. Gold, we are on the weekly time frame, and as you can see, if you look closely, gold is what seems as if it is chopping. Now let's go to our daily time frame. All right, last week I talked about gold. I predicted gold. What did I tell you guys? I told you guys what? That the price would come back to, look at this black arrow. The price will break and retrace, and the price went exactly as I predicted. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame so you can see it clearly enough. I told you guys, I predicted in this channel, all I do is what? Follow market structure, pure market structure. As you can see, I predicted last week that the price will break above this zone and then pull back, and then boom, the price came and then hit our what? Our TP. Look at it. Look at it. I took this trade exactly. Can you see? Can you see? So on this channel, we only focus on what? Pure market structures, multiple time frame analysis. Okay, make sure you like, comment, and share this video. Keep sharing this video, okay, so that it will get to more people out there. So now this week, let's continue. This week I am also predicting, okay, I have what? Two scenarios. Look at this red arrow. Okay, I believe that the price will do what? Pull back to this zone, to this our support area. Let me mark out the zone. Okay, to this area. This is our support level. Okay, it either the price does what? It either the price comes back to this support area and then boom to this level. Okay, or that's if the price wants a deeper pullback. If the price wants a shallow pullback, it will do what? Pull back a little bit from this zone to this zone, okay, before it goes higher. Okay, so all I do is to do what? Follow market structure. Okay, make sure you subscribe. On this channel I post Forex, weekly Forex analysis every Sundays. Make sure you hit that notification icon once you subscribe. Hit that notification icon on, switch it on, so that you will be the first to be notified when I drop videos like this. Okay, so the next on my list is EURUSD. EURUSD also played exactly last week. I told you guys about what? Pure market structures. I also told you guys about scalping. Okay, last week I told you guys that presently from here, this was where the market began from last week. Okay, Look at this. Let me put it black. Look at this black vertical vertical line. Okay, as you can see, I predicted last week that either I gave you guys two scenarios. Okay, it's either the price breaks above this zone and then give us a pullback, and then you catch it on the pullback before going higher. The price did not do exactly that, but still I entered this trade. I told you guys about what scalping, that if you go to your lower time frame, okay, from here where I took this trade, if you go to your lower time frame, you will see what break of structure, okay, to the downside. You will see what a chart pattern. So I traded that chart pattern straight to this zone. Can you see? I entered this trade, and I also waited for the market to come back to this what, to this zone, to this resistance zone. Hold on. The price did what? The price also did what? Once the price got to this zone, the price retraced back to this zone, to this area, to our resistance area, and then I still did what? I took this trade just by doing what? Scalping. Okay, the price gave us this low, then lower high, then boom, I also traded this. It then hit my TP. So this week I am still anticipating that the price would do what? The price would break above this zone. Watch this black line, this black arrow. Okay, the price will break above this resistance area, and then once the price pulls back, once it comes back, we'll then catch it on the pullback, and then we'll then trade it to this zone. Okay, place your stop loss below this level. Okay, and the price might also do this. The price might pull back with a shallow pullback straight into this zone. As you can see, we have a bullish engulfing candlestick. Okay, now it has now changed to another candlestick which we call a bearish harami. Okay, the price might pull back slightly to this zone, and then boom, and start going high. So if you are looking also for if you're looking for a selling opportunity, then you will have to wait for the price to do what? You have to wait for the price to break below this support area. Okay, then you catch it on the pullback before going lower. Okay, before it gives us a lower low to this zone. Okay, so now if you also put your trend line, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. The price might do what? Break below this zone and then give us a pullback before trading to the downside. Okay, so this is it. So the third on my list is GBPUSD. Let's go for GBPUSD. On this channel we talk about multiple time frame analysis. If you want to analyze any chart, make sure you go to your higher time frame. Any time frame could be your higher time frame. Multiple time frame analysis is very important when it comes to trading. So the next on my list is GBPUSD. Last week we also took this trade. From here I told you guys that it's either you scalped this market or you wait for what? A pullback. Okay, now as you can see, I took this trade as well. Last week I predicted, we analyzed this chart, that it either the price breaks above this zone and then pulls it then give us a pullback before going to the upside. The price did not either do anything like that. Okay, but I went to my lower time frame. And then did what? analyze, I saw what break of structure, and as well I saw a chart pattern before I took this trade. Okay, so if you look closely, you will see look at this trend line. Okay, look at this static trend line. Sorry, someone is calling me. Oh my god, sorry guys, sorry YouTube. So as you can see, look at these two trend lines I just marked. They look as if I think it's a chart pattern out there. Okay, the price is giving us what chart pattern, with some people call it symmetrical triangle. Okay, so this week Monday market opening, I am anticipating, projecting that the price would do what? The price would break above this resistance area, and then once the price breaks it, and then the price might then pull back. We will then catch it on the pullback. Okay, and then do what? Trade it to the upside. Okay, before going, it gives us another higher high. Okay, so, and if you are looking for a selling opportunity, then you will have to wait for the price to do what? To break below this our support area. Okay, this our support area, before you can trade it to the lower side. Okay, so as you can see, this looks as if it's a pattern. If you look here, you see the price moved impulsively. Okay, then from here, as you can see, okay, this is a chart pattern. Okay, it's giving us a chart pattern, symmetrical triangle. Now if you also, let me talk about scalping. As you can see, the price is giving us something like bearish harami or doji. It can also give us what? Evening star candlestick. So when you go to your lower time frame, mark this out. As a scalper, if you want to scalp this market, look at this black line I just marked. Okay, if you go to your lower time frame, you will then look for break of structure to the downside or to the upside, or you may look for a chart pattern. Wherever the pattern breaks, okay, you go for it. Okay, so the next on my list is USDJPY. USDJPY. All we do is what? Analyze the charts every Sunday on this channel. So last week I predicted that the price will do what? Break above this our resistance area, then we'll catch it on the pullback. But yet the price did not do such a thing. Neither did it do or go to the other side, which we predicted. So the price did not work accordingly. So this week we are still predicting the same thing. Okay, we are predicting this week that the price will do what? Will break below this our support green area, and then once the price comes back to this zone, we'll then catch it on the pullback and then trade it to the downside. Okay, this will be your TP, your stop loss above this area. So now if you're looking for a buying opportunity, you also have to wait for the price to break above this resistance area, and then you then catch it on the pullback and then trade it to the upside. Okay, so now as you can see, I did not take this trade. Yeah, as you can see, this zone here, let me mark it out. This zone here is something else. Okay, this resistance area, I was supposed to take this trade, but it was very late. Okay, so I could not be able to take this trade. So you have seen my weekly analysis. Then it remains once, because I told you guys I was going to analyze 5 pairs. So the next in my list is GBP JPY, GBPJPY. Let me get it. I'm coming. GBPJPY, boom. Okay, GBPJPY. So same thing that happened on, let's say, on USDJPY is still happening right here. As you can see, this is a chart pattern. This is what a chart pattern. The price moved impulsively. Okay, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Either the price breaks above this zone and then retraces back before we start buying. Okay, this is a chart pattern, or we might just have to wait for the price to break below this support green area, and then we'll catch it on the pullback before going to the downward side. Okay, so make sure you subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon so that you will be notified when I post videos like this, Forex videos like this every Sunday. Every Sunday we are gonna be analyzing weekly Forex analysis on this channel. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, watch this video, any of the videos I upload. Make sure you watch it from the beginning till the end. Do not skip, or else you won't understand what we call multiple time frame analysis. You won't understand the way we do what we scalp or analyze charts. So once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Price Embassy FS, giving our lives a meaning. See you on the other side.